Hi everyone, welcome on board to Cat King's NMAT Daily Series. This is Anisha here, your guide and mentor for NMAT preparation. Today I'm addressing one very common doubt which everybody has been asking. Should I prefer the online proctored NMAT exam at home or should I prefer it at center? Okay, now without beating around the bush, if you ask me my personal opinion, I prefer the at the center and over the online exam at home for very basic reasons. One, there are a lot of times that when you're giving online proctored exam at home, exam stuck ho gaya, aapka Wi-Fi disconnect ho gaya, there's some technical issue, there's some glitch in the system, something which was not planned for happens, it kind of creates extra panic and you end up screwing up your exam for that perspective. Then on that particular day, jab test center pe hai, to there are people who are accountable for it. There are people who are responsible to ensure the setup is proper, there are no restrictions, there's no disturbance coming in, everything is in place, your system and everything is checked and it's well connected. If something goes wrong, they are responsible for it, not us, right? When it's at online at home, कुछ issue हो गया, आपका laptop hang हो गया बीच में और आपका exam बीच में submit हो गया, you're at fault. They're not going to give you the benefit of doubt, right? So that's the problem when it comes to test center versus online at home, right? But what are the cons, what are the pros of giving it at home as well also? If you do not have a center close by to your place, घर के आसपास में नहीं है, बहुत, you'll have to travel 2-3 hours to go write the exam, then in that case you can choose the online test center exam at online at home over the test center option. But make sure you are doing a few things right in check before itself. One, your Wi-Fi should be absolutely smooth, nice and flawless. Your laptop should be absolutely well functioning. Make sure you guys clear all the clutter from your laptop, disk, RAM, memory, sub clear karke rakho. Your system should not hang because of overload. Keep your browsers clear, history clear, so that there's no cache memory which is eating up the internet connections and all the supplies. Yeah, these are chota things. You will not feel it important right now. You might feel ki ma'am is giving some stupid Baba Adan ke zamane ki advice of clear the browser and clear the cache memory and stuff, but it actually helps because sometimes your systems get hang. Okay, then there might be situations which you are facing while writing the exam कि ये adaptive exam में बहुत बार होता है, क्वेश्चन स्क्रॉल कर रहे हैं पर नीचे स्क्रॉल नहीं हो रहा है, इट्स गिविंग यू पॉप अप दैट रीड द कंप्लीट पैसेज, और आप पूरा पैसेज पढ़ चुके हो, स्क्रॉल कर करके पढ़ चुके हो, बट फिर भी नहीं हो रहा है. So you do not have to panic. What you have to do is check your home screen, is it completely zoomed out? Okay, so NMAT का जो टेस्ट सेंटर पे होता है ना, उनकी विंडो सेटिंग्स आर सेट, वो डिस्प्ले रेजोल्यूशन फिक्स्ड होता है और कंप्लीटली जूम्ड आउट होता है. ओके, तो अपना अगर कुछ ऐसे अटक जाए कभी घर पे एग्जाम देते हुए या मॉक टेस्ट भी देते हुए, जूम आउट पूरा चेक कर लो, एब्सोल्यूट जूम आउट, व्हाटएवर यू कैन डू दैट and then go and proceed ahead with the same. Okay, so do not panic when you see all of these things. Secondly, when you're at home, please make sure you are sitting in a nice space which is background clear, no things, no distractions. घर वालों से दूर बैठना, घर में टीवी चल रहा है और आप एग्जाम दे रहे हो, not possible. Stay alone, stay in isolation to give your exam. Okay, make sure you do not have any books and distractions around you, because the invigilator which is there ऑनलाइन एट होम मत का मतलब ये नहीं है कि हमें जो चाहिए हम रेफर कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज द सिस्टम इटसेल्फ विल नॉट लेट यू ब्राउज एनी अदर windows at that point of time. You will have an invigilator who is keeping an eye constantly at you. If you start seeing a lot this side that side distractions, नीचे बहुत देखते जाओगे, even if you're thinking overthinking and तुम नीचे देखते जा रहे हो, it will put a red flag that we observed indecent behavior or incorrect behavior in the time of the exam, and you can be disqualified. So be very cautious of trying any random stupid things. You cannot risk your career for this, so keep that in mind. Okay, internet in check, house background, everybody, no distractions, everybody away, sit in isolation. Your laptop absolutely well functioning, running. अगर पता है पहले से ही हैंग होता है तो किसी और का लेके बैठो घर पे और उस पर प्रैक्टिस करो पहले, ये नहीं कि एग्जाम वाले दिन हम पहली बार उसको ओपन कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, सो कीप दैट इन माइंड. Fourthly, make sure you have all your documents ready, whether it's your admit card, your confirmation letter, your documents of your photo ID and signature ID. Even if it's offline, it's online, you need the documents same. So online है तो आपको उनको सब दिखाना पड़ेगा, ऐसे literally दिखाना पड़ेगा. Offline है तो आप उनको वहाँ पे center पे दिखा दोगे. So keep that ready with you guys. Do not have any panic situation. And in case when you're writing the exam at home and something happens, you're stuck or some issue comes, you have the invigilator raise the concern there and then itself. Even if something is not happening, our invigilator ne bol diya ki, this will be taken care of. Please ensure you drop in an email to NMAT support so that they can assist you and they are aware of it, that something happened and that needs to be considered. Like today, I don't know, for some reason, I got a couple of students who said ki LR ke question mein question kuch aur tha aur पूछा कुछ और जा रहा है. Like, इनपुट आउटपुट का पजल कुछ और था, पर जो स्टेटमेंट्स या क्वेश्चन जो दिया था वो अलग ही चीज का था. सो कुछ मिस्टेक्स हो गए, कुछ हिकअप्स. फर्स्ट टाइम, बीइंग वेरी ऑनेस्ट, फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम आई हैव हर्ड इन एनमैट सम ग्लिच हैज हैपेंड विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एलआर क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम 2 students today. So the first thing you need to do is, if you observe something like this, whether you gave it at the center or at home, you observed something which is incorrect, please drop in an email to NMAT by GMAT support ID. Let them look into it. Let them check it up. If there is some benefit of doubt which you should get, let them verify, validate it over an email. Do not assume anything. Do not try wrong things, and keep making a how out of it. You taking screenshots कि ये question गलत था, screenshot लेके आप WhatsApp groups पे डालो या Telegram groups पे डालो, उस पे डालो, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला है. That's not correct. You should not be sharing your exam paper questions anywhere. All you need to do is, if there is some issue, you report to the concerned authorities. Let them take action and let them look into it. Okay, so this is a set of just quick understanding about home versus center. I prefer center, but if you're at home, I've given you guys all the guidelines to keep that in mind. So keep a check on that. All right, bye-bye, take care, all the best.